Hi, I'm now in Austria, Salzburg. Today I'm doing a hiking. I think it's quite a long trek, and right in front of me I can see the mountains, which has all the ice caps. Okay, we're checking out the Airbnb from Austria, Salzburg. This is the room we stayed, and there's a balcony here overlooking at the mountain behind. We have tried to tidy up the place before we leave, and of course this is the kitchen. Washed up everything. We've got a small dining and a sofa settee here. It's the toilet. Now we exit. Lock up the place and we exit. Okay, cheers.